Monthly transactions. In this exercise, we'll be checking the monthly transactions, and let's check the input data, which shows for each country the transactions, the amount, and the state of the transaction, which is approved or declined, and the transaction date. And the question is asking us to bring the approved and the total transaction amounts for each month, the total amounts for approved and either approved or declined. So it's actually a medium difficulty kind of question, and it has some important concepts. And so it says as an output month country. So to get month, I'm going to use the left function, and then translate. It's like I'm gonna get the first 7 characters, and I'm gonna call this month. I will get the country, and then I will count the transactions, and I will call it transcount. I will say sum where state equals to approved, and call this approved count. So it's only counting the approved one. So it's counting how many times the state was approved. So we want to see, like, think about it in real life. Sometimes you make a transaction and it's not approved, it's declined. Sometimes it's approved. So that kind of an idea. And then trans total amount. Trans total amount is the sum of all amounts. Call it trans total amount. And I'm gonna get approved total amount. State approved. Multiply by the amount. So it's like getting how many times it's approved and then multiplying by amount, and call it approved total amount. By the way, this applies to MySQL. This functionality might not be in other databases. You need to check. Normally, in the legacy SQL, this wouldn't be possible. We had to write with filter condition like where condition and use subqueries. But this is way simpler and it makes our life easier. So very useful. Use these guys. Transactions. So from the transactions table, are there any filtering or ordering? No. Okay, it's saying wrong answer because I didn't use the group by. Can I say like 1 and 2? Perfect. So they're improving the SQL. I'm glad that they're using this kind of stuff. A couple of years ago, this wasn't possible. A couple of years ago, using like these kind of functions, like filter within the column, was not possible. Probably not still possible in some of these databases as well, but in MySQL with this latest version, now it's possible. Okay, guys, this is the question. Let me know if you have any questions. DM me, comment, whatever. I'll see you in the next video.